Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? What's going on this time? The Dogecoin price will starting increasing and last 24 hours. In this is one of the unique coin in the crypto market, my friends. Today will get a profit. Otherwise, my friend, all currency were fails down in this time, my friend. So definitely it's a very bad condition. And this time, as you can see, my friend, I draw the resistance line. So definitely, my friend, if you check out just at only this point. Oh my goodness, absolutely. After a fails, they will take a jump and they will hit the resistance line. So definitely, my friend, as you can see here, they will get a profit. Now, please holder, as you can see here this time, after a fails, they will take a jump and they will hit the resistance line. The white dot line is the resistance line, my friend, try to understand. So after this point, you can see, my friend, they will wake up and they will get a profit. So therefore I will share my every video this experience, my friends, to after fails every coin will wake up and take a jump. So therefore it's true, my friend. As you can see, especially short time investors are starting selling, so the coin will fail down. But when they are starting holding and absolutely they are starting investing, so the coin is completely go to the moon. So therefore this is my personal advice for all of you holders. So please hold out and don't starting selling. I hope, my friends, I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming days the price will pump up more than more, my friends. So you will need to hold down and get a very good profit. If you miss this chance, try to understand, holder, you will never get a profit and you are very badly finished down. So please do this what I tell you. I hope I give you 100% guarantee you will earn a lot of money from crypto. Love is, take care.